Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Riot Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, in order to change your username, click on My Account at the top right corner and then click on Settings. You will then end up within the settings page, from which you will see your Riot ID section at the top right. Just click on your game name and then enter the username that you wish to use for your game. You can also enter your tagline, which is preceded by a hashtag if you wish. After entering your desired username and tagline, click on the Save Changes button. And now this will change your Riot Game username right away. Once you have changed this, you will need to wait another 90 days in order to change it back once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on Riot Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.